babes, so welcome back to my channel, and to this video that's going to be kind of a quickie. It's going to be kind of a quickie. I am going to swatch the new collection by Looxi. This is the 3 p.m. collection. Basically stands for the third precious metals. This is a formula that Looxi has had before. She's just coming out with some new colors. I think she has amped up the formula a bit because they are, if possible, even creamier now. So I have divided these because I've already swatched some close-ups, so I've divided these in the more neutrals and 2 pinks, and then the more greeny blue shades. I'm gonna swatch these and just show you what they look like. For me, these kind of videos are helpful, and I hope they are for you as well. When I was ordering singles, when I started out buying singles, I used to watch so many swatch videos of people swatching the shades just to like pinpoint which ones I wanted. So I think that this is helpful, seeing the shades out of the pan, and I love doing these kind of swatch fests. I did get these sent to me as PR. This collection is already live. They were sent to me from US. So they were coming to me after the collection has already been live. Yeah, I do have a code with Looxi, and the code is Angelica 10. I will leave it down below. Looxi has also lowered the price of her shadows. They are now $4 each. They used to be $5, but the code is still for 10% off, so these are kind of affordable now. I think that that is a good price, and I'm going to show you how beautiful these are now that we start swatching them. This video is not sponsored though, and I do swatch a bunch of different collections. I do have another collection that's coming in a while that I'm going to swatch for you, and that's going to be super fun. This is White Sands, and I will say I don't know why we are starting with the weakest shade. I will say out of all of these shades, this is the only one where I noticed that it's not as creamy and pigmented as the other ones. I think you can see that. It is still like, it still has a lot of shine, but it's not as opaque as the other shades. I mean, it's not bad, but it's just not as good as the other shades. And the precious metals has long been my favorite formula, like not from Looxi, but altogether, because it's so creamy and opaque. And that White Sands just isn't 100% it. This one is called Miso Thorny. I will show you some close-ups in a bit as well. This is a beautiful, like, what would I call this? Like a taupey brown, maybe? Look at how beautiful that is. So pretty. So pretty. And this is a Taupe 101. This is also a cool tone brown, but this has a bit more gray in it, and it's just a tad darker. That's what this one looks like. You can also see that this one has a bit more shine to it, but it's probably because it's a bit lighter, and then usually lighter shades has a bit more reflectiveness to them. But they are both really, really cool and good neutrals if you are into neutrals. This one is called Proper. This is like a yellowy, pale yellowy gold. Not the kind of shade that I go for, but I know that there is so many out there that love a shade like this, and then you might really love this one. You see that it has a bit of honey tone to it, so this is more of a warmer champagne. Maybe that's how I would call it. Next shade is called Dizzy. This is more of a warmer, more of a coppery shade, or like a bronze maybe even. Maybe not a copper, more a bronze. But you can see it's a bit darker, but it's extremely opaque and really nice high shine. Next one is called, oh, I got it on my boobs. Oopsie, it's called Saucy. And this is more of a, like a tarnished bronze. You can see like a dirty bronze. These swatches are impressive. But that's what that one looks like. And then we have the 2 pinks. Maybe I should just clean my fingers. And I obviously like the pinks most in this set, but that's basically because I don't wear that much neutrals. This one is the, let me show you how they look next to each other. This is Swatches. It is a bit more cool toned and a bit lighter, and this one is called Cotton Candy. It is a bit darker and a bit warmer. So let's start with Swatches, which is the lighter of them. It's a very nice cool toned, in Sweden we would call it old time pink. which is such a weird name. It's just more of a mauve pink. Maybe that's what I want to say. Very, very foiled and metallic, as you can see. And then it's cotton candy. It's just a tad darker. I don't really want to say like maybe that it's warmer. It's just that it has some purple in it. You can see the difference. You can see the difference. It's a bit darker. It has a bit more purple in it. Definitely two different shades. I really like both of these. I think they're really nice. And if you are into these more neutral metallic shades, the quality is top notch. So this is the first batch of colors. Let's just get into some close-ups. Okay, so I've cleaned off my arm. Now it's time to go into the part of the collection that's my favorite, and that is the greens and the blues. I also have a swatch picture up on Instagram. I will try and remember to leave a link to that picture down below so that you can have a peek if you want to see them all swatched out with names. I do that sometimes like when I feel like it, because doing pictures like that, they're fun, but you have to be in the mood. This one is called Cold Hearted. It's a very light, slightly turquoise blue. I think that this would be such a nice inner corner highlight. Did you see that? Such a pretty shade. The second blue is called Taboo. It's like a mid-tone blue. It's slightly on the darker side. I wouldn't maybe say mid-tone blue, but it's very pigmented, but maybe not as same here. As soon as they get some depth into them, they're not as highly reflective, but that is a very nice blue. Here comes a blue that's called Starry Night. It has some micro shimmer in it, like silvers. So this is more of a night sky blue with silver shimmers. It's meant to be a night sky. I bet you can see that from the name, Starry Night. You can see that it's a bit more cool toned, and when you're gonna see it up front, like up close, when you're gonna see it up close, you're gonna see that there are some silver shimmers in here, making it look like an actual starry night. I think I like this one just a tad more than this one because it's a bit more special. And now we have 4 greens. This is Moolah. This is a more of a mid-toned green. Oh, I love this. Look at that. It's such a pretty green. It's not too warm, it's not too cool, it's just a nice green, but it's still not too bright. This one is called Lush. This is more of a cool toned dark green. This also has some like micro shimmer in it that give this color a very nice sheen, even though it's so dark and luscious. I love these greens. These greens. Look at that. And 2 more greens. I think this green is my favorite. And I love that when I looked at this color, I'm like, oh, this is my favorite because this is a metallic olive, and I love a metallic olive. You know what it's called? That's what she said. Love it! And this is so creamy and so pigmented. Look at that. Oh, this is definitely my favorite. When I am doing a look with this, because I am. I'm just a bit like stressed on time before my vacation, but I'm definitely gonna be trying these out. This green for sure is getting on my eyes. Look at that. Okay, I still have one left. I just need to clean a finger so I can put it on. Okay, and the last one is called Lagoon. It's more of a it's like that mossy, dirty, grungy, warm green. You can see that it has more yellow in it than the other two greens here, but it's not as olive as this one. It's in the happy middle country. It has a bit of a dark gold sheen to it. It's very pretty. All of these are so pigmented. So pigmented. And this one, definitely my favorite. That's what she said. And that's what I said. It's my favorite. Let me show you some close-ups of these as well. Those are the other shades, and that was the whole collection. Let me know what you think about this collection. Have you tried the Precious Metals by Looxi before? If not, they are spectacular. So pretty, so pretty. I really love, if you love those super creamy, high shine, super opaque metallics, these ones are just that. So nice. So yeah, that was everything for this video. It's gonna be a quick one, a quickie. Is that really what I want to say? Maybe I should rephrase that, but it was a quick video. Sometimes I have to do that as well. I will leave all the info and the links down below, including my code if you want to use that. You can use somebody else's code as well, of course. You don't have to use mine, but make sure you use a code though, because you get 10% off, and that's always nice. Please do subscribe if you want to. I do upload 5 videos a week. This look, either it's up and I will leave it down below, but if it's not up, it's coming this week. So if it's not up, it's coming in a couple of days, just so you know. Okay, that was everything. I'm gonna leave you now. Have a good day. Bye!